Welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change chart properties or chart elements like titles, legend. So if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button in the below. And if you like this video, please press the like button. So let's begin. So what we will learn how to change the title and also how to change the legend place. Actually it's in the right side now and we want to move it into the bottom section. Okay, so for this what you have to do, you have to just click on the insert, first click on the developer tab and then click on insert and then take ActiveX control command button. Just place a button here. Okay, so we will change the text. So for this I have to click on the properties and in the caption section I will put down my desired text. So for this it will change chart. Okay, then just right click and click on the view code. Okay, first you have to write down this line. That means you have to select the worksheet 1, then chart objects 1. You can see here two charts are present. So this is the chart objects 1 and this is the chart objects 2. And then you have to write down this line for changing the titles. Here you can see we have activated the first chart first and then we are using that active chart dot chart title dot text. Okay, so equal to sales report. And again we will write active chart dot legend dot position because we want to move the legend in the bottom section of the chart. For this we have write down here Excel bottom. So let's test how it will produce result. For this first you have to get back from the design mode. Okay, just click here and then you will able to click the button. So just click and you can see that sales has been replaced by the text sales report and the legend has placed in the bottom section from the right hand side. So that's it for this video.